Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today we're going to be talking about one of the best-selling pools in New England, the Calypso Fiberglass Pool by Trilogy Pools. This pool is 15 feet wide by 34 feet long. It ranges anywhere from 3.5 feet to 6 feet deep in the deep end, and contains about 12,000 gallons. Some of the features of this pool are the hydrostone finish with Vega blue color. This creates a cool blue coloring, which keeps your pool looking as clean as possible. It also has a smooth gel-coated finish with a textured pool bottom. While this allows a non-slip surface, it also creates a nice smooth surface to prevent things like algae from growing. And in this pool, it has available bench seating and a sun deck. This pool has a rapid install time and can be installed within 3 to 6 weeks, fencing and patio included. And it has a low cost of ownership and low maintenance over the lifetime of the pool. With no liners, there's nothing to maintain or replace. Some of the common upgrades on this pool are PAL LED lighting, Renaissance UV ozone generators, and AquaCal heat pumps. All of these extras help complete your pool purchase. And the most important question, how much does a pool like this cost? Well, the 15 by 34 Calypso pool ranges from about $65,000 to $85,000, depending on the type of fencing, patio work, and electrical required for the job. Come on down to any of our locations and inquire with one of our associates about more information. And thanks for watching.